Hi guys, and welcome to another video. It seems like Japanese motorcycle giant Kawasaki Motors is trying out a different market. From a motorcycle arsenal of sports bikes and super bikes that the racing enthusiasts have come to love, Kawasaki has recently set its sights on a much tamer scooter segment. And months after its European launch, a few months back, the 2020 Kawasaki J125 scooter is getting a lot of attention. With the all-new J125's impressive performance and many exceptional features, it is only a matter of time before Kawasaki Motors catches up with its fellow Japanese Big Four motorcycle manufacturers, Honda, Yamaha, and Suzuki in the fierce urban scooter and even terrain scooter market competition. Built by Kawasaki, which is popularly known for its Ninja and Z racing beast, the small displacement J125 scooter is not your usual cute urban traveler. Rather, it takes a fairly new approach combining power-packed performance with an equally powerful styling. Despite of the 125cc capacity of the Kawasaki J125, it is a large scoot, which can be referred to as a super scooter, and proudly bears some styling elements from the ever-famous Kawasaki Ninja range. This sets it apart from other scooters out in the market today. Its aggressive and striking design will definitely thrill many super sports bike fans, especially those who do not have the courage or the means to wield one. Powering the 2020 Kawasaki J125 is a 125cc, 4-stroke, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, single overhead cam engine that can deliver up to 12.8 horsepower of maximum power output at 8,500 RPM and up to 10.9 Nm of maximum torque. This powertrain is hooked to an automatic CVT gearbox. The 2020 J125 scooter offers a comfortable ride courtesy of its 37mm telescopic forks in front and the 5-level adjustable double shock absorbers at the rear. For thorough stopping power, the Super Scoot has been fitted with a single disc brake each of the front and the rear wheel sets, and equipped with Kawasaki's own anti-lock braking system as an added safety net. All-new scooter flaunts other features that make it stand out from the other of its class. These features are derived from Kawasaki's wide range of motorcycles. Among them, the fold-out pylon foot pegs with adjustable brake levers, and the sculpted concave floorboards that can tackle lean angles and at the same time allow riders to put their legs straight down instead of being spread apart when the scooter is idle. Aside from this, the J125 is equipped with the usual scooter amenities such as comfortable seat with under-seat storage enough for full-face helmet, a small seal compartment for mobile phones or other small items or gadgets, a 12-volt USB charging port, an analog speedometer and tachometer, plus a digital LCD screen that shows essential riding information such as odometer, clock, service mode, fuel gauge, dual trip meters, engine warning symbol, and coolant temperature gauge. Theft and tampering would be difficult with a special shutter in the ignition that can only be opened with the back of the key. The 2020 Kawasaki J125 has not reached Southeast Asia and probably would not be seen on Philippine roads just yet. But one thing is sure, the 2020 Kawasaki J125 will steer the current dynamics in the local scooter segment currently dominated by Yamaha. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and comment down below. Thanks for watching guys! I will see you next time.